Morning. I'm going to be showing you how to work with Excel, and specifically inserting functions and copying Excel tables to a Word document. That was asked by a couple of students. I'm going to demonstrate how to do that. First of all, we want to open Excel. Go to Excel. I'm going to look for a file. We're actually doing the INT fitness file. I have it open here. I have for the different classes and the different tabs, and I've combined them all together to get a total data set. First of all, you probably want to sort them out. I have sorted them out to males and females. I'll just show you how to do it. Let's say I want the males first. First of all, mark the area that you want. Okay, I've marked it down to here. Make sure you put the first row here. That means it's field names will make things easier. Now I want to sort them to males first and females afterwards. We go to sort and filter. Okay, we can choose what field we want, and we're going to do the gender A to Z. That's the order from high to low. F of course comes before M, so we want to do it the other way around. So now the males have been sorted out and the females. Yeah. Okay, actually I like the females first because I'm going to just do Control Z, which brings it back to where it was. F and M, let's say we want to make it females and males, so what we're going to do is type females and then males, and I want females. I do Control C or right click copy. That one, same thing with males, Control C, go down to where we want, and males. Okay, we've got that. I've calculated some of the standard statistics, the means. If you look here, look up here, this is the average of E5, that's this column E5 is from here all the way down to E50. Yeah. Let's say we want to do the standard error. Remember, if we go back to what standard error was standard deviation divided by the square root of n. Okay. Now, what is n? There's different ways of doing that. One way I kind of like to do is I start with 1. The next one is I do the equals sign. Let's see, equal. That means what we want is A5. This is this cell, A5 plus 1 gives us 2. And now we're going to copy that. One way of doing it is say Control C, mark V, or you can see that plus, you can drag it all the way down to where you want, and it's marked it off. Now we got the n value now is 46. Another way of doing it, of course, is using a function. With this also, I think we do this down to here, and we say count numbers, and see what we've got is 46. That's another way of doing it. Anyway, we got 46 standard deviation. Then the min, of course, see that's min, maximum, standard deviation, same thing, and standard error, which would be a function. So we start the function with a equal sign. We want standard deviation, which is this one. So what is that? That's this cell divided by the square root. We do square root of 46. Yeah. So we do 46, close that, and we got the standard error. So remember the standard error. We'll go back. Standard error. We can use it for the error bars to see how accurate our mean is. Sorry. Now I want to get standard error for the rest. We can do this control right click copy, right click paste, and we've got the standard error. Let's say we use a lot of decimal points. We don't really want that. Let's say we're going to keep these to 1 decimal point. We go to for cell format number. We want 1 decimal place. Okay, that's a little better. Good. Now we can work out for the males and females. How do we do that? Very easily. The equals sign. We're going to do average. Do a tab. For males. Okay. So what we need to do is just this part here. Close. We've got it for the males. Yeah. Now we want to copy that for there. Very easy. Control C. Now we've got that. There, that you can do the min for the rest. Let's just do it for females now. That's equals, we say average. Yeah, and we want females, close parentheses. Now we have the females. Okay, we see the fitness is quite different. Let's say let's see what we want to do. What the difference there is. We're going to copy that. Yeah, we can see already quite a difference. This for right now we've got the tables that we want. Now we want to get it into a Word document. So what we do is we're going to mark off. Okay, we want this in our Word document. Yeah. Right click copy or Control C. Go to the Word document. Control right click paste, and there you go. You've got your table. Okay, now let's say we have a graph. We'll make a graph. Why don't we do the females? We want to make a graph. Insert a scattergram. Okay, we've got a scattergram here. What I would have done is probably sorted this out from lowest to highest, and then you would have got a better scattergram. But anyway, let's say we've done that. You've done your titles and your legends. We're going to right click, copy that, go to your Word document. Let's say you want it here. Control V. I'm going to make it a little smaller. I'm going to mark this, right click that, say I want to wrap it around the text. So say put it through. That means I can actually now carry that and I can move it to where I want. Let's say I can even move it here if I like. Yeah, okay, that's it for now. I hope it was useful. Thank you.